Hi, on this video I'm revealing the hidden facts on why sometimes South African employees go on strike. Well, if you are new here, subscribe and give me thumbs up. Let's get down to it. I'm revealing it. Well, it's because employees work overtime. They don't get enough time to work out or exercise, So they're like, I need some fresh air. But the other guys be like, let's go on strike. Then you see them out there in the street, they're singing very energetic, they're doing a couple of exercises, but the guys at the back, they're not putting enough energy. The guys at the front, they get pissed, they pick stones, they throw the stones at the cops start shooting. Then everyone puts in the energy. This is why you see some strike last about 1 week, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It's because it's enough time to get fit if you're exercising. If you have a question, drop it on the comments below.